Hello students, as you have studied the direct transmission and the indirect transmissions here. Okay, so you know that in that case, in that concept we have seen the many of the diseases, so which they are going to be transmitted. Okay, that may be through the air, that may be through the dust particles, that may be through the food, water, or that may be through the blood here. Okay, so that may be through the even the, that is the closets, okay, even the door handles. Okay, so that we have seen here, and also some of their human carriers are present, and also even if it is present in the fetus, if it is present in the womb of a mother, then also it is going to be transferred through the placenta here. So then we have seen also that is they are going to be transmitted through the direct contact here, so through the droplet here. Okay, so many of the diseases they are transmitted from that is a infected person to the healthy person here. But these diseases, what they are, so they are nothing but the, so these diseases they are caused by the pathogens here. So these pathogens, they may be the microorganism, they may be the germs here, they may be the organisms here. Okay, so based on which we can make them as easier, which these pathogens are, which these basically the organisms are. So these pathogens we have made them as a separate, so that we can identify that this disease is caused by the this pathogen or this organism here. So in this lecture today we are going to see the communicable diseases, which these diseases are classified in the format of viral diseases, bacterial diseases, fungal diseases, and the protozoans here. The last one is the helminthic diseases here. Okay, so as from we have as studied, that is from the in the kingdom Monera to the higher vertebrates here, or the higher animals here. So in that we have seen that is these they belong, they are first organisms which is microscopic, which we cannot see with our naked eyes. So they are the, that is the virus. So because of which, to make a easier concept, so I made in this form so that you can remember. First one viral diseases, second is the bacterial disease, third fungal disease, fourth protozoans, and fifth one the helminthic diseases here. So then these diseases are caused by, okay, so they are caused by the viruses, they are caused by the viruses disease, so called viral. They are caused by the bacteria, so called bacterial. They are caused by the fungi, called as the fungal diseases. They are caused by the protozoa, so they are protozoans. They are caused by the flatworms and the roundworms, which basically belong to the helminth, that is the helminths. So they are the helminthic diseases here. Okay, so that is the first concept where they are caused by here. Okay, so then which are the viral diseases here? So the viral diseases like mumps is there, smallpox, chickenpox, influenza, poliomyelitis, rabies, measles, trichoma, dengue fever, chikungunya, common cold. Okay, so you are very familiar with these diseases, you have heard, you have the concept of these. Okay, so that how these, what these diseases are here. Okay, then also these diseases are the viral diseases here, whereas the bacterial diseases are the cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, pneumonia, plague, leprosy, syphilis, diphtheria, whooping cough किंवा whooping cough ला काय म्हणायचं, pertussis, diarrheal diseases, and the tetanus. All these are the bacterial diseases here. Whereas the fungal diseases are the ringworm, or it is called as dermatophytosis, and the athlete's foot. Two diseases are present in the fungi. Whereas the protozoan, in the protozoans, the diseases like amoebiasis, malaria is there, definitely the malaria is a protozoal diseases here, and the African sleeping sickness, or it is called as a trypanosomiasis. Okay, so these are the, that means there are the three diseases which are the protozoal diseases here, whereas helminthic diseases are the ascariasis and the filariasis. Two diseases are the helminthic diseases, so which the filariasis is also called as the elephantiasis. Okay, so that is the diseases which basically they belong to the, that is they are the virus, they are the bacteria, they are the protozoa, they are the fungi, they are the flatworms and the roundworms, which basically called as the worms. They cause the diseases here, and the diseases are, so many diseases are present here. Okay, but these concept is to made easier. Why? Because in the NEET exam there is a questions, which of the following are the viral diseases, which of the following are the bacterial diseases. Okay, such a questions are present, so that will be easy to you, all of you students. So this is a easy concept, so you can make it easy here. And in that, in our study, the diseases involved, okay, so all those diseases, they are involved here. So they are infectious diseases, but in our study, the diseases which are involved is that is the common cold is present and the dengue fever. Okay, so in the viral diseases, okay, so we are going to study जे आपले स्टडी आहे, जे आपले सिलेबस आहे, त्या सिलेबसमध्ये कॉमन कोल्डचं स्टडी आहे आणि डेंग्यू फेवरचं स्टडी आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि बॅक्टेरियल डिसीजमध्ये टायफॉईड आहे. ठीक आहे. बॅक्टेरियल डिसीजमध्ये टायफॉईड आपल्याला स्टडी करायचं आहे आणि निमोनिया. ठीक आहे. निमोनिया हे 2 डिसीजेस आपल्याला बॅक्टेरियल डिसीजमध्ये स्टडी करायचं आहे. आणि फंगीमध्ये एकच डिसीज स्टडी करायचं, तो असणारा रिंगवॉर्म किंवा डर्मॅटोफायटोसिस. ठीक आहे. आणि प्रोटोझोन्समध्ये की अमिबॉयासिस आणि मलेरिया हे 2 डिसीजेस आपल्याला स्टडी करायचं आहे. आणि हेल्मेटिक डिसीजमध्ये हे दोन्ही डिसीज आपल्याला स्टडी करायचं. ठीक आहे. ॲस्कॅरिसिस आणि द फिलॅरिसिस हे दोन्ही डिसीजेस जे आहे आपल्याला स्टडीमध्ये इन्वॉल्ड आहे. म्हणजे प्रत्येक हे जे कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस आहे, त्या कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजमध्ये व्हायरल डिसीजमध्ये 2 आहे, बॅक्टेरियल डिसीजमध्ये 2 आहे, फंगीमध्ये 1 आहे, प्रोटोझोन्समध्ये 2 आपल्याला स्टडी करायचे आहे, हेल्मेटिकमध्ये पण 2 डिसीज जे आहे स्टडी करायचे. बाकी जे आहे तुम्हाला माहिती असायला पाहिजे, म्हणून मी हे शॉर्ट फॉर्ममध्ये तुम्हाला की असं चार्ट करून मी तुम्हाला टीच केलेले आहे की तोवरून तुम्हाला इझी जाणार की कोणतं व्हायरल आहे, कोणतं बॅक्टेरियल आहे. आणि आता सध्या डेंग्यू फेवर इज कॉज्ड बाय द व्हायरस, दॅट इज अ व्हायरल डिसीज असं म्हणू शकता तुम्ही. कॉमन कोल्ड इज कॉज्ड बाय द व्हायरस, इट इज दी viral diseases here. Typhoid, definitely that is a bacterial disease आहे, that is the bacteria. Pneumonia bacteria through cause होणारा डिसीज आहे. असं हे जे इझी कन्सेप्टसाठी हे जे आहे त्याचं आम्ही कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजचं थोडक्यात काय केले, क्लासिफिकेशन केले. सो विच द ऑर्गॅनिझम दे आर गोइंग टू बिलॉंग टू द that going to cause to the diseases here. Okay, so that is once again viral disease, bacterial disease, fungal disease and the protozoal disease and the helminthic disease. Is it clear all of you? Okay, in the next lecture we are going to continue the other part. Thank you.